Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in for another vehicle showcase here at 911 Rapid Response. Today I'm going to showcase the police car we built here for Mifflin County Regional Police Department. Very nice, simplistic build that's going to get the job done for the customer. So at the front of the vehicle here we have a Go Rhino push bar. Integrated into that push bar are two Whelen Ion duos on the top rail. These push bars come in different configurations. We can actually do 4 across the top or just 2. This client we did 2 for, and these are duo. They are red, white, and blue, white on this one. When you come around here to the side, we have Whelen Ions mounted horizontally so the light is dispersed correctly into the intersection, with a pair of Whelen Vertexes mounted in the headlight area itself. When we come around to the side of the vehicle, we have the graphics done right here by our own in-house graphics team, Mark.It Graphics. So our graphics are done in-house. We have a Whelen Justice light bar up on the roof, which is a duo light bar. So it is red, white, blue, white forward, and then red, amber, blue, amber rearward. Come around to the side of the vehicle, we have Whelen Ions in the side back windows. And in the very back, we have our light bar up at the top. Mid-level warning is going to be our Whelen Ions. We have T-Series mounted down beside the license plate, with some Whelen Vertexes mounted in the factory taillights, which are duo as well. For in the back seat, back prisoner area, we have the Pro-Gard prisoner transport cage, along with the window bars, a rear cage, and the factory seat is left in this vehicle. In the front, we have a Havis console. The Havis console is equipped with a printer, which is located up on the angle part of the console, a Dell laptop computer holder, installed customer supplied Motorola radio, the Whelen controller, a set of cup holders, an armrest, and a gun lock there mounted in the recessed area. It has an Axon camera system installed as well. We are an Axon certified installer, so we can install your camera system. I'm going to go over some lighting configuration with you. We do have cruise mode on this. Cruise mode never works well with the camera, but cruise modes are very popular. Maybe you're sitting in the median and you want to have some extra police presence. Cruise modes work really good for that. Or maybe it's Halloween night, right? And you're driving around the neighborhood and you want people to really see the police officer driving around. Cruise modes work really well for those types of scenarios. I do have a steady steam button, so I can independently control left scene, right scene, front scene, or I can push one scene button and get all of it at the same time. Now in warning mode, scene button is still going to flash 2 forward modules so we don't lose all our warning light out the front. If I put the vehicle into drive, don't do this at home, kids, foot out the door, vehicle into drive. So we have red, white flashing in the corners. We have some extra white flashing in the light bar here in the middle. And we also have some white flashing down in the front. If it's foggy conditions, snowing outside, we can take this down to slider position 2, and we can remove that white flash still in drive mode. Slider position 1 is just going to kill the front of the vehicle and just let the rear on. Back in park, we're going to go back into our park mode. Hope you like the vehicle. Hope you like the showcase. Have a lot more to come. And if you're interested in one of our builds, we ship worldwide.